yung tanong ko, ma'am.
Yeah.
May watershed po ba na malapit dito o wala?
Wala.
Okay.
It's a quarry area.
Kasi ma'am, ang isinama lang kasi ng DENR dun
Yeah.
sa ban nila,
Mm-mm.
yung open pit mining, open pit method of mining para po sa mga minerals. Ang sinasabi po kasi ng Chamber of Mines,
Mhm.
it's no different from quarrying operations kasi surface mining din po siya.
Quarrying is more on the aggregates like this. Yeah, aggregates. It's more on the basalt, tapos ginigiling nila. Yun yung ginagamit sa construction. Whereas for the open pit, this an aggregate minerals yung kinukuha. Associated minerals like gold, copper, ore. Yun.
Pagdating po sa effect niya, kasi ang pinag-uusapan po kasi ma'am is may negative effect daw
Yes.
kasi. So, magkaiba ba yung nagiging epekto sa environment pag ng quarrying as compared po dun sa open pit mining?
Same lang ang effects niyan. Lahat. Effects niyan sa vegetation like this. Pag inalis mo yung topsoil, vegetation, sira na yan. At the same time yung habitat. At the same time water system. At the same time groundwater. Yun ang effects for the open pit mine. At the same time for the quarrying. Destructive, of course, ang impact nun. But, meron silang rehabilitation plan para strictly implemented. Para hindi naman, at after ng quarrying, meron silang rehabilitation to mitigate all the destructive measures na ginawa nila. May mitigating measures.
Same lang yung
Effects,
effect
yes.
niya. Pero bakit merong exemption pagdating sa quarrying?
Kasi yung sa quarrying kasi makikita mo naman mayroong mga remedial measures for that. May sinasubmit sila. So kailangan strictly implemented lang yun para in the future mayroon pa naman tayo makikitang tawag dito magandang kalikasan.
Rehabilitate.
Yeah, like this. Pag nakita mo na yung basalt na yung mga boulders na pwedeng gagawing aggregates, hanggang doon ka na lang. Hindi ka na deep doon sa area kasi hindi ka naman naghahanap ng kung anong associated minerals na nandun.